Hi everyone! Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve Snapchat not Donald. To know how to fix or how to solve Snapchat not Donald, you should just go to settings. After that, in this page, we go to click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will search about this window of Snapchat and you will enter. After that, in this page of app info, you will click on force stop and you will click OK. Then you will go to click storage. After that, in this page, you will click clear cache. And in the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next